Welcome to Programming ABC. Now I will show how to accept value from user and print this. Import system dim language as string double here console write the name of your favorite programming language equal console dot readline console dot readline console dot writeline console dot writeline welcome to. It is important to this input language. Welcome to comma language console writeline. Press any key to close or exit. Press any key to exit. Compile. Write the name of your favorite programming language. VB.NET. Enter. Welcome to VB.NET. Press any key to exit. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.